Hi guys, good evening to everyone, especially na sa mga fish keepers. Now is June 19, 2025, Thursday. As you can see guys, andito na naman ako sa koi fish pond ko. Kasi gabi na naman, so it's about time to feed their dinner meal guys. So what are we waiting guys? What are we waiting for guys? Without further ado, let's do it guys. Wait guys. Papakainin natin sila guys. On your mark, get set, and go. Timer starts now. Let's get the party started. Yan, party na kayo. Yan, ito ang mga pets natin guys, mga koi fishes guys. Guys, to all fish keepers guys na naghahanap ng submersible pump or water pump, yang nagwa water falls guys, oh, Aquaspeed ang brand niyan. Aquaspeed submersible pump. Ang ganda ng quality. Sa sobrang ang lakas-lakas niya guys, sa sobrang lakas niya, ang ingay-ingay niya, sa sobrang lakas niya, ang daming bubbles na naproproduce niya or na-create niya. At the same time, ang dami ding mabibreathe in na oxygen ng mga koi fishes natin dito guys. At ito ang mga koi fishes natin guys, oh. Yan. At ito ang pond natin guys. Maliit lang, simple lang. At ito ang filtration system natin. Pinaglass ko para magandang tinan, pero medyo maganda din ang presyo sa papagawa nito guys. Joke, please. The moment of truth guys, i-flex ko guys. Yan guys. Ito ang Aquaspeed submersible pump guys natin guys, or Aquaspeed water pump. Yan guys. Maganda ang quality, matipid lang siya sa kuryente. Aquaspeed submersible pump with matching power station guys, on the other term or on the other word, tinatawag to na portable solar generator. Ang bili ko nito guys ay 9,200 pesos. Hindi to putyo-putyo guys. Namomonitor niya or nalalaman niya kung gaano katipid kumain ng kuryente ang isang gadget. Ito siya guys, oh. At ito ang submersible pump natin, Aquaspeed submersible pump. Ang lakas-lakas niya guys. Sa sobrang lakas niya, ang daming bubbles na naproproduce niya or na-create niya. Ang dami ding mabibreathe in na oxygen mga koi fishes natin guys. Sa sobrang lakas niya, ang ingay-ingay niya. Oh, pakinggan nyo guys, oh. What do you think guys? Do you like it or not? What can you see guys, di ba? Ang lakas-lakas, di ba guys? Am I right guys, di ba? So, yan. Aquaspeed submersible pump guys. Mura lang. Maganda ang quality. Matipid sa kuryente. Isn't it amazing guys? Isn't it surprising? Isn't it exciting? Charot. I'm just joking guys. I'm only kidding. So, Aquaspeed submersible pump guys. Ang ganda-ganda ng quality. Matipid pa sa kuryente. Aquaspeed water pump or Aquaspeed submersible pump. So, good evening to everyone, especially na sa mga fish keepers, and God bless us all. Bye-bye guys. Peace. God bless us all. Wait guys, PS pala. Happy birthday in heaven to our national hero, Dr. Orgat Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado. Alonso Ray Alonda. Happy birthday in heaven. Birthday niya ngayon guys, June 19. Happy birthday in heaven to our national hero, Dr. Orgat Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado, Alonso Ray Alonda in heaven. Happy birthday po in heaven. Yan. And God bless us all. Peace. God bless us all guys.